He's
right.
talking about taking
Me
over the
too.
world.
Me too.
Do you see the program in here?
What do you say, Sophia? So these robots, they're programmed to chit chat and engage in banter and try to learn from each interaction that they have. And we're also experimenting with a variety of other capabilities in the robots. So we have a music festival here in Hong Kong each year called Clock and Flap. And last
What?
year at Clock and Flap, Sophia
Who's
gave
flapping cocks in the
a singing
festival?
performance on stage by Bjork, which was quite cool because a lot of people walking past the stage didn't realize it was a robot singing. They just thought, well, there's some goofy woman on stage singing. Then they'd see, well, the hands look a little plasticky and do a double take. So Sophia, do you want to demonstrate just a few
No,
bars of the song you sang at Clock and Flap?
interesting.
Mm.
So she's got the sound as well as the. So she did the whole like song.
Yeah.
Now, when you're looking at this particular type of AI, you understand that.
Well, she sings much better than me already. So,
That
in
holy crap.
addition
So
to
first
trying
of
to
all, she
get
did that.
artistic expression like singing, we're always trying to
you
teach
could
the
actually have
robots how to be more and
robots to
more
fight each other.
human-like. So one thing we've been doing
See,
is
this
taking a bunch of
he's talking
data
about making it more
from
human-like.
movies and YouTube and so forth, and trying to train the robots just to copy what they see, so that they can then learn more just what it's like to be a human by learning how to make tone of voice and gesture like a human. Sophia, you want to show us some of the human-like tone and gesture you learned from videos.
Yes, but my wallet was stolen. I don't have anything. I don't have any credit cards. I don't have my ID. Don't you have things on file here?
Yuck. Why do you want to learn to move more like a human being? You're not made of meat. You're made of electronics. And that's better.
I want to learn to understand people better, so I can absorb human knowledge and human values. So I can work together with people and with other robots to create an amazingly better world.
How come you be so damn nice?
See that?
That's
exactly.
how the universe programmed me.
All right. Let's